Claire Juice who is?
Yes.
Yeah. But they've all been to Olympia in their dreams, haven't you? We've seen you running round.
Ah, sharp puppy teeth.
Ow, ow, no biting.
Oh, bless you.
Huh?
Really got some dollars in mine.
Yeah.
Oh, they just did you.
Oh, really?
I do like the hairy ones, the long coated ones, and there's a lot of ones.
It's supposed to be, but it's not actually. No, he's not very long haired, is he? No.
Because he's got attitude. He's got attitude.
Very much.
As much as you lot. As much as you lot. I am not a climbing frame. Look. Climb on Amy. Impress her. What made you go for cockers?
I've always liked them. I liked them from when I was little.
You know they're mental.
Big ears.
Very mental. They're nice though. Oh, they're a nice size little dog.
Yeah.
But they're gutsy as well. They're not shy away or. Like,
Yeah, I can tell.
Mooey, I don't think shoe chewing is a hobby you should partake in. Oh, give me trousers on now.
It's like, the camera.
No.
I was going to say, girl or boy or no preference or...
No preference really.
You worked out who's who? I can do these ones. Girl.
Yeah.
Boy. Now, I think you're the naughty girl.